Most Excel users don't struggle because Excel is hard. They struggle because they're doing things manually that Excel was designed to do automatically. Copying, typing, formatting, rebuilding reports. In real workplaces, this isn't just slow, it's risky. In this video, I'll show you 5 common Excel tasks people still do manually, and the simple Excel tricks that replace them. These are not shortcuts for exams. These are skills used in real business files. If you want to work faster, make fewer mistakes, and actually look confident in Excel, let's get started. Now imagine an HR team receives a staff list where each employee's full name appears in a single column. From this list, they need to generate 3 things: first name, last name, and a company email address. Here is how this task is often done manually. Someone types first names one by one. This approach creates several problems. It is slow, it has a high risk of spelling mistakes, and it does not scale when the list grows to hundreds of employees. Excel provides a much faster solution using flash fill. To extract first names, in the first row, manually type the first name exactly as it should appear, for example, Hudson. Move to the next row in the same column and press Ctrl+C. Excel detects the pattern and automatically fills the first names for all remaining rows. Repeat the same process for last names. Type the last name for the first employee. Move to the next row and press Ctrl+C. Excel fills the entire column instantly. Now create company email addresses. In the first row, manually type an example email address following the company format, such as first name, last initial at company.com. In the second row, type another example email to reinforce the pattern. Then move to the third row and press Ctrl+C. Excel recognizes the pattern and generates email addresses for the entire list. In seconds, what would normally take hours is completed automatically, accurately, and at scale. Excel isn't guessing, it's recognizing patterns. Now, imagine a sales manager asks for a report showing only sales representatives from the West region who have sales above $10,000. Here is how this is often done manually. Filters are applied to the data. Visible rows are copied. The results are pasted into a new worksheet. The entire process is repeated every month. This approach creates several problems. It is repetitive. Filter conditions are easy to forget or apply incorrectly. Reports break as soon as the source data changes. Excel provides a better, fully automated solution using the filter function. In a new sheet or empty area, enter the filter function. Use the full data range as the array. For the condition, specify that the region must be West and total sales must be greater than 10,000. Multiple conditions are combined using multiplication, which applies logical and logic. Once entered, Excel returns a live list of only West region sales representatives with sales above $10,000. This list updates automatically when new data is added or values change, with no manual filtering or copying required. XLOOKUP turns Excel into a database-style search tool. Now imagine a finance team receives a list of invoices. Each invoice includes a customer ID and an invoice amount. From this data, the team needs to retrieve 2 things from a master customer list: the customer name and the agreed payment terms. Here is how this is often done manually. Someone scrolls through the master customer list. They use Find to search for the customer ID. Then they copy and paste the customer name and payment terms by hand. This approach causes several problems. It is time-consuming. Selecting the wrong customer leads to incorrect invoices or payment delays. And it does not scale when dealing with hundreds or thousands of invoices. Excel provides a faster and more reliable solution using XLOOKUP. Start by confirming that both the invoice data and the customer master list share the same customer ID field. In the invoice sheet, insert a new column for customer name. In the first row of that column, use XLOOKUP. Set the customer ID from the invoice as the lookup value. In the customer sheet, set the customer ID column as the lookup array. Set the customer name column as the return array. Add a fallback value, such as not found, in case the customer ID does not exist. Press Enter and copy the formula down. Repeat the same process to retrieve payment terms by changing only the return array to the payment terms column. Each invoice now pulls the correct customer details automatically. The result is faster processing, fewer errors, and a workflow that scales effortlessly. XLOOKUP turns Excel into a database search. An operations manager tracks daily output against targets and needs a fast way to identify underperforming days and overachieve targets. Here is how this is often handled manually. Someone colors cells red or green by hand. When numbers change, they recolor the cells again. This method creates major problems. Manual colors become inaccurate when data updates. Visual indicators can no longer be trusted, and reports quickly become unreliable. Instead of manual coloring, Excel provides a dynamic solution using conditional formatting. Start by confirming your sheet contains 2 columns, one for daily output and one for target values. Assume the output values are in column C and targets are in column D. Select the output range you want to evaluate. For example, cells C2 through C9. Go to the Home tab, choose Conditional Formatting, then select New Rule. Choose the option that says Use a formula to determine which cells to format. For underperformance, enter this formula. C2 is less than D2. Click Format. Choose a red fill color. Then select OK and OK again. If the rule does not apply correctly, open Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules. Select the rule and confirm the formula does not contain quotation marks and that the applied range is correct. Click Apply and then OK. Next, create a second rule for overachievement. Again, choose New Rule and select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter this formula. C2 is greater than or equal to D2. Click Format. Choose a green fill color and confirm. Now your sheet automatically highlights performance. Red shows days below target. Green shows days that met or exceeded target. Because the formatting is formula-driven, colors update instantly whenever values change. This is how professionals build dashboards that remain accurate, visual, and decision-ready at all times. Management wants a report that shows total sales by region and by month, and they want it to update automatically whenever new data is added. Here is how this is often done manually. Someone writes multiple sum formulas. They copy formulas down rows. This method causes several problems. Formulas break easily when data changes. Reports become difficult to audit, and the entire process becomes slow and inefficient. Excel provides a far better solution using pivot tables. Start by opening the Sales To sheet. Click any single cell inside your dataset. Go to the Insert tab and choose Pivot Table. Select New Worksheet and click OK. Excel will create a blank pivot table layout. Now, build the report. Drag the Date field into the Columns area. Drag the Region field into the Rows area. Then drag the Sales field into the Values area. Your report now shows total sales summarized by region and by month automatically. Whenever new data is added to the source table, simply refresh the pivot table. The report updates instantly without rewriting formulas or rebuilding tables. This is why pivot tables are one of the most powerful tools for automated reporting and fast business analysis.